madam. Negosyante po kayo, madam sponsor.
But it doesn't solve the legal problem of
I'm not talking about madam sponsor. I'm not talking about the legal problem.
But in the end, you have to be legally correct.
I know.
For a businessman, everything should be legally correct.
Well, some shrewd businessman maybe. Yung mga tusong businessman maybe.
Hindi.
Would you like us to bring Masungi here? Or even make a phone call? Tawagin Masungi. Kung somebody call Masungi. Right here, right now. Mag-alamanan kung sinong-sinungaling. DNR o Masungi. Kung gusto mo, magpaano pa tayo? Lie detector test. Polygraph test para malaman kung sinong-sinungaling. Pwede bang paki-identify po, Madam Sponsor, kung sino po yung dalawa sa picture na binulugan? This was an event in Rizal.
Si Governor Inales. They are stakeholders operating in Rizal, and they were invited by the Governor of Rizal to do to discuss a joint project with all the stakeholders.
Joint project.
Yes.
Can the good sponsor tell us exactly who these two people are, their names, and then what their who they represent?
They are.
And what are the kind of business that they do? That they own?
They cannot recognize the other one, but the one is a quarry operator.
Quarry operator. Thank you. And the other one is?
They do not know him.
Okay, well, I'll identify the second one, Estelle Marie Rebancos, an officer of Montalban Aggregates Producers Association.
So, quarry operator also.
Exactly. In 2022, DNR ordered the suspension of the quarrying permits of the large-scale companies allegedly encroaching on the Masungi Gear Reserve in Rizal, including the Rapid City Realty and Development Corporation, Kim Song Limestone Incorporated, and Quarry Rock Group Incorporated, owned by Angelita Lee, who happens to be in the picture. Sinuspindi po ng DNR ang quarrying permit ng mga nito, and yet, inibitahan sila dyan sa project transport. So out of delicadeza, bakit po sila nandyan? Bakit sila naimbitahan?
As I mentioned, they were invited by the Governor of Rizal, stakeholders of in Rizal. Hindi ang nag-imbita sa kanila, DNR.